That's the shit you wish you could afford. And they say, yeah, 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 I'm headed up to the stars. That 25-8 overwork, don't hate, my shit just got me more.
If I can trust her, I can trust anybody. I'm making sure all the day was beside me. And niggas wildin' so I don't trigger parties. Girls making bad decisions off Bacardi. Rappers so they gon' search me on Safari. None of my old girls can have me, I'm sorry. I'm wearing that blue, I'ma scroll like Jabari. I'm not sorry for the wait. All of my family gon' eat cause we grounded forever. So I'm not sorry for the wait.
No, straight. Only 2,090 them. Poli.
Ya gua
Eh?
Guna para ko sa kailan experience.
Alright. Video ya.
Finna reach my goals. I walk around pockets full. I just got the new hit 14. That's the shit you wish you could afford. And they say, yeah, 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 I'm headed up to the stars. That 25-8 overwork, don't hate, my shit just got me more.
If I can trust her, I can trust anybody. I'm making sure all the day was beside me. And niggas wildin' so I don't trigger parties. Girls making bad decisions off Bacardi. Rappers so they gon' search me on Safari. None of my old girls can have me, I'm sorry. I'm wearing that blue, I'ma scroll like Jabari. I'm not sorry for the wait. All of my family gon' eat cause we grounded forever. So I'm not sorry for my plate. Shawty was playing too much, she was dying with niggas. I had to get her out the way. I don't want love, we can't go on a date. I just be focused on getting this cake. So why just go leading me up, she say flexing, I'ma vibe alone. Texting, I won't pick up the phone. They like he fired, he walks to the bone. And I can't be a simp, so forget a little song. I'm buying new things, gotta fix some problems and some loose strings. No shawty want be together and do things. Focus on me, don't have time for a mood swing.
Finna reach my goals. I walk around pockets full. I just got the new hit 14. That's the shit you wish you could afford. And they say, yeah, 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 I'm headed up to the stars. That 25-8 overwork, don't hate, my shit just got me more. Shawty playing games for the one time. Smooth pass, but she ain't hit the goal line. So I got myself this queen, she got the same goal as mine. Better not waste my time. Why you wanna see what I got inside? Only things that'll get me to $1 million, no time for the ceiling, we out, reach the sky. Reach the top, my feet gon' be designer. I see the clock, my future glowing brighter. I feed the flock, my plate gon' be a diamond. Don't cheat, do not follow all your desires. I seek for more, I'm never getting tired. I reap the soul, my actions getting finer. I reach my goal, so our haters can find us. Flexing, got a lot of dough. Blessings, I'ma give me some more. I'm stacking this wallet, don't hit me for nada. I'll see you mañana when I hit the glow. I'm buying new things, but first gotta cop my deuce a crib. Then buy at a private island, make a couple thousand, cop shotty a new ring. Finally reach my goals. I walk around pockets full. I just got the new hit 14. That's the shit you wish you could afford. And they say, yeah, 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 I'm headed up to the stars. That 25-8 overwork, don't hate, my shit just got me more.
leakage gone up, bro.
Actually, he wants that.
Yeah. Brother, bike power noise. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Push back.
Yeah, boy.
Push back. Up.
Tire, back tire kind of overinflated. Ooh, then I'm warm.
I want to go up there.
Big bike. Well, not really big bike, but, you know. Yeah! Don't fit your spot! Yeah, attack. Yeah. Yeah. Nah, lock up enough. Yeah. This is not work, man. Which one? The brake? Yeah, something. Alright, yeah, the big bike have a delay. Yeah, one have a delay. No. Yeah. Yeah. than that. Yeah, top board. Right in the... What that? What the power that? Yeah.
Buy my bike and I go over there. I just deal I'm gonna put one and put apply the rev. So yeah, it
the back wheel.
Yeah.
Slip and slide. Boom, how there?
Yeah man. Take time get used to it, man.
Yeah man.
Rev one gear, a second look and
go up.
Limit.
You know, so you can set a limit on it too. Yeah. You don't know yet. Yeah. Yeah, me not buy, me not like gear pipe too big, brother. That sounds good, brother. That sounds like ear one. Yeah. Yeah. I see him 2-cylinder, you know. I see him. Yeah? Oh, oh. What go on? You done peeling or you still a go? Huh? You done peeling or you still a go? More on this washer.
Right here.
But all I need for that get the speedometer working. I'm in love with this bike already, yo. Yeah, man. Ooh. Ooh, wait. Oh my god, the shocks feel so good. Them on the warp on the machine, man. Want some wider angle bars too. I don't like how these handlebars are. Them too itch up, man. Handlebars want wide handlebars. Seat want go up some more. So me up here, so. Yeah. Them little things, you know. It's getting dark, guys, so the GoPro won't be able to pick up much because the GoPro sucks in low light. But we basically are coming from Bagwalk, St. Catherine. Angle bar, give me a little twitch a while ago. These are the stock lights that are on it. They're pretty nice. They're not the best, but they're nice. Going off a reach over Ashley. Eh? Yeah! Bumba me on there for me alone. My boy still got the woo. My boy still got it, man. Yo, now I have to press your free. Yo, no, free if you put on all the way over here, so Yamaha. Oh, banging. Yamaha put the hand all the way to the right. Oh, how that? the light I can't turn off.
Archie,
Yes? No.
Archie.
MT.
Archie,
MT03.
you know Archie. About Archie,
Yeah man, just go pick
we
it
have
up.
7, 9 everything.
Just I work my way up, man. Yeah guys, so I just reach home. Machine park up and everything. Thank you for journeying with me. You see me? This is the start of a new beginning. Is it? New beginnings. People. So just bear with me. I'm gonna make this work. You see it? Paradise Biker. Oh.
25-8 overwork, don't hate my it just got me more.
If I can trust her, I can trust anybody. I'm making sure all the day was beside me. And niggas wildin' so I don't trigger parties. Girls making bad decisions off Bacardi. Rappers so they gon' search me on Safari. None of my old girls can have me, I'm sorry.